GitHub is used by developers around the world. We have curated a few GitHub actions that will help you in enhancing your development workflow. First is automated testing, which runs the tests automatically whenever a new code has been deployed, which enhances the quality and stability of your code database. The next one is continuous integration and deployment, which includes setting up actions to automate the build, test, and deployment process. Coming to the next point, you can implement a GitHub action that can format code and enforce coding standards to ensure a clean code. The next one is an action that allows users to automatically label and assign issues based on criteria. Moving on, there is an option where you can automate the release process, which enables change log generation and release notes publication. Coming to the last point, you have the option to implement custom triggers with GitHub actions to execute specific workflows based on external events. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more such content.